Hello crazy people. In this week, I'm going to show you how I did this photo here of Carlos' iris here at home and how I edit using Photoshop. For who don't know, the iris is the colored part of your eye and it can be pretty cool if you look close. That's why people do iris photography. There is a few things that you should consider when taking an iris photography, but you can totally do it at home. So I got Carlos to pose for me. You must try to keep the model's head very still and tell the model to try to not blink because it's hard to focus in the eye. I put a black fabric that I use as a backdrop in his head to block some of the light and avoid too much reflection. So I got the torch of my iPhone to illuminate the eye from the side. It's essential to have a light to illuminate the eye. My camera was a struggle to focus only with the iPhone light, so I had to get Carlos to face the natural light coming from outside. I could probably use a strobe, but it would be much better and easier and would give me a better result, I believe. But I wanted to teach you something that you can do at home with minimum equipment. I used my camera with my 90mm macro lens. The settings were ISO 2000, mostly because the aperture was 5.6 and the speed was 125. The large f-stop was to try to have most of the eye in focus. Don't worry if you don't have a macro lens, you can use an adapter for your lens that works as a macro lens just like this one here, and it's cheap. I took the photo, as I said, and it was hard to focus because I was too close. I didn't have too much light, the eyelids were getting in the way, Carlos was blinking. But some of the photos were good enough for me to take to Photoshop and edit. The editing was quite simple. First, I need to get rid of the reflections that the lights created, and for this you can use a lot of different tools. Stamp tool, the healing brushes, the removal tool, the patch tool. You need to see what will work better for your photo. But there are many tools available on Photoshop. After that, I got the circle marquee tool and draw the perfect circle in the top of the eye, feathered the edges, cut and pasted in a black background. Then I did some final effect using the camera filter, which is totally personal, but I recommend adding some texture, vibrance, and sharpness. You can even change the color of the eye if you wanted to. That's it, guys. I hope you guys liked this iris photo, and I hope you can do your own iris photo. You know, some eyes can really surprise you. Don't forget to follow me on the socials. All links are here below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done yet. Like this video, and I will see you next week with another creative idea. Bye!